Well, that was the North Carolina Transportation Museum train, and they have the tags, Norfolk and Western generator on. And, yep, and that was the train. Right now I'm here at the North Carolina Transportation Museum. Right here is the wig rack, which is broken. Red light means stop. Yellow light means stop at the next light. Green means go. Alright, I'm at the car show right now. So it just looks the same thing, like I'm always here. The old coach that they said need to repair. Right there, I have to zoom in over there. Okay, but anyway, I'm heading back to Barber Junction. Just got a cab ride. I don't know if I made a video of it or not. Because my dad did it. 620 has the 2 control panels, and I'm kind of doing some horn blowing, and yeah. Okay, so right there's the coach over there again. Generator's on for Thomas next weekend. Okay, let's keep on walking around and checking out things. Alright, right here's some more cars. Some more abandoned rail cars. Alright, here's Barber Junction, and I am at the North Carolina Transportation Museum in Spencer, North Carolina. Okay, these daft tracks. I can understand that, but I mean, I can go on the tracks right now if I wanted to, but I don't want to break the rules. But anyway, let's go look around. Alright, so right here is that, and keep on looking around. Right here they got decorations ready for Thomas. Tomorrow I might be up here to see them switching some trains around, and for Thomas, and I might get that on video. So right now I'm just walking around, roaming around. Get the little Thomas flag ready, and there's a picture for the Polar Express. And start making my way back over here to the back up over there. In a minute. And there's the cars once again. Maybe we should look around. Right here is the car right here. You have no idea what it is, because I'm not a car person, I'm more of a train person. Yeah. Oh, look, it says Pink 67. I don't know if y'all can see that. Right there. On the pink. Let's keep on looking. Okay. Inside that car, it's a stick shift. Okay. Oh, this car's a stick shift. Must be stick shift because it's third pedal, or not. big ship over there is in the back. I'll let y'all get a little look at the roundhouse a little bit. I mean, not the roundhouse, back shop. It's right over there. Okay, so that's the back shop. About to go to the roundhouse. In just a second. That'll be part 2 for this video. So yeah. So this is the first part that you'll see at the North Carolina Transportation Museum, but you will not see these cars because that is a certain event. Like I said, next week, Thomas. And this video was posted, will be posted on, well, possibly today, maybe tomorrow, probably tomorrow, or definitely today, I'd say. Got everything ready for Thomas. So that was the video, so bye guys, I'll see you for part 2, and that was Slate's World 2. Goodbye.